Good morning students. You all are welcome to today's online class. I hope you all are thorough with the formulas, isn't it? Shall we start today's class students? All of you take your note and book. So in this chapter, we are going to learn without actually measuring them how we are going to find the heights, distance of various objects using trigonometry. Okay, using the trigonometric ratios without actually measuring the given diagram, means tower or distance between any two items or mountains. Using trigonometric ratios, how can we find? We are going to learn here. So before learning, we have to know some formulas as well as some definitions. Okay. So first of all, we are going to learn the definitions. Line of sight. What is line of sight? No. Line of sight is the line drawn from the eye of an observer to the point in the object viewed by the observer. See the diagram, with that you can understand easily. So just imagine there is a observer, there is a tower. Okay. Just draw the ground level. It is the ground level. It is the eye level. Okay, horizontal level. Join here. It is observer. It is the tower. There is a clock on the tower. It is the eye level. Means horizontal line. It is the ground level. What is the line of sight? No. Line of sight is the line. Line of sight is the line from eye to this object. Okay. It is the line of sight. Line of sight. What is line of sight? No. The line of sight is the line drawn from eye of an observer to the point in the object viewed by the observer. The object viewed by the observer is this clock. Okay. So that can be said. Line of sight is the line drawn from this eye of an observer to the point in the object viewed by the observer. Understood students? Next, angle of inclination. What is angle of inclination? No. Angle between this horizontal line and this line of sight. Okay. This angle is known as angle of elevation. In this angle of elevation case, when we raise our head to look at the object, okay, object will be top of the observer. Okay, object will be here, observer will be here. The angle between this horizontal line and the line of sight is known as angle of elevation. So, angle of elevation is an angle formed by the line of sight with the horizontal when the point being viewed is above the horizontal level. Okay. The object will be above the horizontal level. Okay. Next, angle of depression. Angle of elevation means that object will be above the horizontal level. So, angle of depression means that object will be below the horizontal level. Next, angle of depression. The angle of depression is an angle formed by the line of sight with the horizontal when the point is below the horizontal. Here, in this case, when we lower our head to look at the point being viewed. Okay. See this diagram, you can understand. Here, just imagine there is a tower. Top of the tower, there is a man, observer. Okay. Here down there is a object, that is ball. Just imagine it is the ball. First draw the line of sight. What is the line of sight? Line of sight is the line from object and eye of the observer. Is it? Draw the line of sight. Now through eye we have to draw the horizontal line. Is it? Horizontal line. The angle between the horizontal line and this line of sight is known as angle of depression. Okay, in this case, when we lower our head to look at the point being viewed. Okay, so angle of depression is an angle formed by this is line of sight with the horizontal. It is the horizontal line when the point is below the horizontal level. It is the horizontal level. Object is below the horizontal level. Understand, students? Here, two more one words. First, theodolite. Theodolite is an instrument which is used in measuring the angle between an object and the eye of the observer. Okay, this one you have to study. Then, clinometer. The angle of elevation and depression are usually measured by a device called clinometer. This one also you have to study. Then down, two notes are there. Okay, note also you have to study. From a given point, when height of a object is increases, the angle of elevation will be increased. For example, see here, first height is this much height. Then the height is increasing. So first we have to see this triangle alone. For this beta is the angle of elevation. After this height is increases, now this angle of elevation is here alpha. It is increases. When the height increases, angle of elevation also increases. See the next note. Here also angle of elevation increases as we move towards the foot of the vertical object. Here it is the vertical object. First point of observation is here. Now here angle is alpha. After moving towards to this vertical, means the vertical, here it is the vertical opposite, vertical object. It is the point of observation. Now the angle is, means the angle of elevation is alpha. After moving towards with this object, now the angle of elevation become beta. It is increased. So the angle of elevation increases as we move towards the foot of the vertical object, like tower or building. Angle of elevation will be increased. Okay, when we move towards, angle of elevation will be increased. Understood, students? Let's write the example 6.18 first of all. Okay, calculate the size of angle BAC in the given triangles. Here two triangles given. First one is ABC. Usually in trigonometry we will use the right triangle. Okay, why now? One angle is 90 degree now, so that right triangle we will use. Okay, so just to identify the sides. This angle is 90 degree. Here we have taken theta. Theta we can take either here or here. Okay, so opposite of this theta is known as opposite side. Theta is here. Opposite of this theta is known as opposite side. So this BC is the opposite side. This is 90 degree. Opposite of this 90 degree is the hypotenuse. Okay, always opposite of this 90 degree is the hypotenuse, means this biggest side is the hypotenuse side. Nearest to this theta is known as the adjacent side. Did you understand the sides? Opposite of this theta is the opposite side. Opposite of this 90 degree is the hypotenuse side. Nearest to the theta, that is the adjacent side. Okay, here this theta only we have to find out. So what are the values are given, just to understand. What are the values given? This is opposite side, this is adjacent side. Opposite and adjacent value is there. We have to find out theta. So we have to recall the formula. What is sin theta? Opposite by hypotenuse. Here hypotenuse is not there, not given, not necessary. So sin formula we no need to take. Understood? Then go to the cos ratio. What is the cos? What is the cos formula? Do you remember? Opposite by, sin is opposite by hypotenuse. Cos is adjacent by hypotenuse. Cos is adjacent by, cos theta equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Here also hypotenuse is not there, not necessary. So sin ratio and the cos ratio can be lived. We can move to the tan ratio. Understood, students? First, theta we have to find out here. Opposite side and adjacent side is given. Hypotenuse is not there. Not necessary to find out hypotenuse. So sine ratio and cos ratio no need to use here. Directly we can go to the tan ratio. Understood why we are using tan ratio? Opposite value and adjacent value is there. Okay. So tan ratio can be used. What is the tan formula? Tan theta equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Okay. Let's write in right angle triangle. In right triangle ABC, formula let's write tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Adjacent side. That is tan theta equal to this one formula. What is the opposite side here? 4 centimeter. No, 4 by what is the adjacent? 5. From here tan theta is equal to 4 divided by 5 is there. No, let us divide here side right and let's divide 4 by 5. Cannot divide, no, smaller number. So that here 0 point give, here 1 0 can add. 8 5s are 40. So it can be right tan theta is equal to 0.8. From here theta is equal to this tan bring here, it become tan inverse. Tan inverse 0.8. Here 0.8 value is given. Okay, so this one we can copy. 0.8 value is 38.7. So theta equal to tan inverse 0.8 is 38.7. How it is? Tan theta equal to 38.7 degree. So theta equal to 38.7 degree. Therefore angle BAC equal to 38.7 degree. Here last year I taught that natural sine, natural cosine, natural tangent tables. Using that tables only this values 0.8 natural tangent, that table we have to 0.8 will not be there. 0.8011 will be there. 0.8011 will be there. 11 means tan 38.7 degree. Here value is given, so no need to see that table. Okay, value is given, so you can copy this one. 0.8 means 38.7 degree. Directly you can write value is given, so that. Okay, understood students? See the second subdivision. ABC is the given right triangle. Here also this angle B is 90 degree. This angle A is given theta. We have to find out this theta only. I told you opposite of this theta is the opposite side. So BC is the opposite side. Nearest to this theta is the adjacent side. Here also opposite and adjacent side is there. Hypotenuse is not given, not necessary. We have to find out this theta. Opposite and adjacent side is there means theta can be find out. We have the tan formula. Okay, we can use the tan formula. Okay, tan theta equal to opposite side by adjacent side. If there is opposite value and adjacent value, we can use the tan formula. Okay, otherwise another formula we have to use. Understood students? Now formula let's write opposite side by adjacent side, which is equal to, what is the opposite side value? 8. What is the adjacent side value? 3. Okay, let's divide this 8 and 3, which is equal to what we get? 8 and 3. Let's divide it. 8 by 3. Here 2 3s are 6. Balance 2, no? Then cannot divide, so point here 0. 6 3s are 18. Again 2 balance 0. 6 3s are 18, etc. etc. So which is equal to 2.6 approximately 2.66. Here 2.66 means it is given value tan 69.4 degrees. Given tan 69.4 degree equal to 2.664. 6604. 2.66 is not in the table, so nearest to that is this value, that is tan 69.48. Here it is given this value. Okay, so directly you can see the value and you can write. From here tan theta equal to 2.66, this value, tan theta equal to 2.66. So theta equal to tan inverse theta, theta we are writing. So tan we are taking this side. So it become tan inverse 2.66. Okay, value is given. So theta equal to tan inverse 2.66 is given 69.4 degree. So theta equal to 69.4 degree. Okay, so this value is given in the question. Okay, so don't confuse from where it is. This value is given, so directly you can see this value and you can write. Okay, therefore angle BAC equal to 69.4 degree. Understood, students? Let's do the example 6.19. Okay, easy question. Question is somewhat lengthy, but answer is very simple. Okay, listen carefully. A tower stands vertically on the ground. Just imagine this is the tower. It stands vertically on the ground. From a point on the ground, it is vertically on the ground from a point on the ground which is 48 meter away from the foot of the tower. It is the foot of the tower. Point of observation we can take it here somewhere. Okay, just join this point of observation and this foot of the tower. Let us join. It is 48 meter distance. Okay, point of observation and foot of the tower is 48 meter away from the foot of the tower. The angle of elevation of the top of the tower. It is top of the tower. Okay, join this line of sight. Okay, so angle between this horizontal line and this line of sight is known as the angle of elevation. Is it? This angle of elevation is given 30 degree. Find the height of the tower. It is the tower. It is the tower. What is the height of this tower? This distance only we have to find. This height only we have to find out. Did you understand the diagram? Diagram is important. Okay. Seeing the diagram only we have to give the answer. First here there is a tower. Distance between this foot of this tower and the point of point of observation is 48 meter. So now this top of the tower and this point of observation we have to draw the line of sight. Angle between this horizontal line and this line of sight is the angle of elevation. Understood, students? We have to find the height of the tower. Let us take this height of the tower is height. Okay, this height only we have to find out. Height meter we can give. This height only we have to find out. Okay, let's write the words. What are the values given by using diagram? Okay, PQ we have taken height of the tower. So let PQ be the height of the tower. That is PQ equal to, it is given by meter. So height meter. Okay, then QR. What is QR? Distance between the foot of the tower and the point of observation. That is QR is given 48 meter. Given this angle of elevation is 30 degree. That is PRQ. Angle PRQ is 30 degree. Okay. Now here this opposite side only we have to find out. Adjacent value is there. So which ratio we have to use? We have to think it. Here sine ratio. What is the sine formula? Opposite by hypotenuse. Cannot use. Here hypotenuse is not there. Opposite we have to find out. So if you are using sine ratio we cannot find here. What is cos theta formula? Cos theta is opposite by sine theta is opposite by hypotenuse. Cos theta is adjacent by hypotenuse. Okay, adjacent by hypotenuse. Okay, not necessary. Here opposite only we have to find out. So cos ratio also not necessary. So if you are using tan, what is the tan formula? Opposite by adjacent. Okay, adjacent value is there. Opposite we have to find out. So tan ratio can be selected here. Okay, what is the tan formula? In right triangle, in right angled triangle PQR, tan theta. What is the tan theta formula? Opposite side by what is the formula? Opposite side by adjacent side. Okay, here what is the opposite side value? Opposite of this theta is opposite side. Okay, opposite of this theta is opposite side. That is height divided by what is adjacent side? Nearest to this theta is adjacent. That is 48. Okay, what is the theta value given? 30 degree. That is tan 30. Theta is given 30 degree. Then tan 30 degree equal to heights by 48. What is tan 30 degree value? Do you remember? 1 by root 3 is equal to heights by 48. Okay, that is, let us cross multiply. Let us cross multiply. 1 into 48 equal to 1 into 48 is equal to heights into root 3. It's root 3. From here heights we have to take, that is 48 equal to heights root 3. Heights is equal to, so this root 3 bring here, 48 by root 3 equal to heights. Change the sides. Heights is equal to, both the side interchangeable, by root 3. To rationalize this denominator is in root form. No? To rationalize this, we have to multiply up and down conjugate of this root 3. That is root 3 by root 3, which is equal to 48 into root 3 by, here root 3 into root 3 is 3. Okay. Now this 3 and 48 can be cancelled. 1 3 is 3. Here 1 3 is 3. 1 balance. Then 18 is there. 6 3s are 18, which is equal to 16 root 3. It is given by meter. So it is 16 root 3 meter. Therefore, height of the tower. Height of the tower is 16 root 3 meter. Understood, students? Next example 6.20. A kite is flying at a height of 75 meter above the ground. The string attached to the kite is temporarily tied to a point on the ground. The inclination of the string with the ground is 60 degree. Find the length of the string consuming that there is no slack in the string. Okay. Here also diagram will not be given. We have to draw the diagram. Read the question carefully and we have to make the diagram. How to make the diagram easily now? Here using the given condition we have to make the diagram. First, height is flying at a height of 75 meter above the ground. String is attached to the kite temporarily tied to a point on the ground. The inclination of the string with the ground is 60 degrees. So how to draw the diagram? Listen. Okay. There is this one ground level. Ground level. Above the ground there is a kite. Kite with the string. String this side. Okay. Join this. It is given 75 meter above the ground level. Okay. Now from the center to this ground level we have to join. This angle of inclination is given 60 degree. Now we can, as service we can name. Okay. Angle of inclination, arrow on need to give 60 degree. Now we can name this diagram. It is the kite. Okay. It is the string. Just name it B, C, A. A, B, C. AB is the distance between ground and the kite. That is 75 meter. ACB the string. Okay. It is the string. This one distance between this foot of this height and this string. So angle of elevation is given 60 degree. Did you understand how to make the diagram? It is the ground level. It is the kite. This distance is given 75 meter. It is the string. We have to join with the ground. This angle of elevation is 60 degrees. So you have to read the question twice or thrice. Then you can understand to draw the diagram. Okay. Let us name the diagram ABC and let's write it. AB be the height of the kite. Okay. That is given 75 meter. AB is the height of the kite above the ground level. AB is given 75 meter and this AC be the string. Okay, this AC only we have to find out. Okay, so what is AC here? Just identify the sides. Opposite of this theta is opposite side. Nearest to the theta is adjacent side. Opposite of this 90 degree. Okay, it is 90 degree. Opposite of this 90 degree is hypotenuse. This hypotenuse we have to find out. Here opposite side value is there. This adjacent is not there. Adjacent no need. So cos ratio we can leave. We know sin theta equal to opposite by hypotenuse. So we can use the sin ratio here. Okay, easily we can get the answer. So in right angle triangle ABC, ACB, this angle of elevation is given 60 degree. Write it. Okay. Next formula we have to write. Sin theta equal to, what is the sin theta formula? Opposite side by hypotenuse side. Hypotenuse side. So sin theta equal to, what is opposite side here? 75. Divided by what is hypotenuse side? We don't know. That one only we have to find out. That is AC. Okay, here theta is 60 degree. So sin 60 degree equal to 75 by AC. AC. What is sin 60 value? Root 3 by 2 equal to 75 by AC. We need AC, no? Cross multiply it. AC into root 3 equal to 75 into 2. AC equal to, from here AC equal to 75 into 2 we have 150, no? 150. This root 3 will come here. Down, no? It will be division. So 150 by root 3, which is equal to rationalize the denominator, we can multiply the conjugate of the denominator, that is root 3 by root 3, which is equal to 150 into root 3 by, here what is root 3 into root 3? 3. Okay, this can be cancelled. 1 3 is 3. Here 5 3s are 15 and 0, which is equal to 50 root 3. Okay, it is given by meter. Therefore, length of the string, length of the string AC equal to 50 into root 3 meter. Understood, students? So these are the today's question. Okay, this example 6.19 and 6.20 important question, 2 mark questions. Okay, so take well practice today's question and study the formulas also. Remaining we can see in the next class. Thank you, students.